What industries get hit the hardest? Starting with healthcare. These places never get to pause. When backup fails here, it's not an inconvenience, it's life or death. Manufacturing plants run on momentum.
A sudden outage doesn't just stop the line. For some operations, a single unplanned shutdown runs into millions before the lights even comes back on. In states like Florida, backup power is critical for gas stations. A single major shutdown can ripple through the supply chain and push fuel access down and prices up nationwide. Data centers require 99% uptime every minute of the day. Offline can mean millions in losses.
Small businesses feel it the hardest of all. Nearly 40% of small businesses never reopen after a major disaster. In 2024, Helene and Milton proved it across every one of these industries. Without reliable power, entire operations collapse fast. That's why backup generators aren't just a luxury, they are the infrastructure. It's survival. A reliable generator is often the line between staying open and shutting down. Follow us for more updates on the latest hurricane news. Give us a like, give us a share.
Make sure to check us out on YouTube for more videos like this.